Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Clukr from Incredibox Sprunki.
So first, let's get started with the hook on the top, and on the left hand side we're going to curve this line around, bringing this out as we come down on the bottom. We're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side and replicate that, bringing this line out, getting wider at the base as we come down. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a straight line. From the point on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then down in the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, arching that down and then in towards the center. Now let's draw on the top of the head. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line out and then in on the side. And then we'll do the same thing on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height and then curving this line around and then in. On the left hand side, we're going to arch this line in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now from here, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the head. So on the left, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then down in the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And we're just going to blend this line together on the bottom, creating a nice big circle. Now let's draw in our eyes. So on the right hand side, just underneath this, we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the side. And then we're going to move over on the left, replicating that, drawing that at the exact same size. Now on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line over and then down on the right. And then on the left, let's replicate that, curving this over and then back down on the side. Underneath that, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, curving this line back around and then up. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. Now for the body, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out, getting wider at the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And we're just going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line across, connecting that together.
And that is it. That's how you draw Clukr from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.